Hello, this is 3 Times the Magic. We're at Phantasialand today. We drove 3 hours to this park, and this park is known for a lot of roller coasters. We have the flight roller coaster that is now temporarily closed. It's a coaster where you lie down, so fingers crossed it opens later on the day. We have a good water coaster. I'm not sure if that is open, but we also have a multi-lounge coaster, so let's see. We have no Gabriella around today, so it's just a trip with the 2 of us, so we're excited to do some trail rides. So yes, join us on what we will do in Phantasialand today. The first attraction we did was the 𝐽𝐮𝐬𝐫𝐽 house, and it's a rotating house. Let's check it out. We're waiting for the ghost train.
Good. What's the scariest of a Gabriella?
We will do the 𝐬𝐝𝐫𝐽, and this is one of the water attractions I won a prize actually, because it has a tall drop in a water attraction. We're soaking wet. I was front row, and yeah, I've got water everywhere, but it was a very tall drop, so happy. But I will have very much cold because my feet are completely wet. Now we're going for Taron, a multi-lounge coaster. Don't know where he is, but I saw him riding by a few times. Seems impressive. The roller coaster Taron is the longest multi-lounge coaster in the world. It features 58 intersections, and that results into 116 crossings during the ride. So yes, it is a wild one. So now we will do the Mystery Tower, which is a tower with a free fall, and it's extremely high. And I am a bit scared of these type of attractions. I normally don't like them, but let's give it a try. Hello, we're in the China pavilion, or the Asian pavilion, and we ordered some dumplings and noodles and rice. So we are inside having some lunch. And it hasn't started raining just yet. So we just finished the Mystery Tower. It was not too heavy. The only thing I was surprised is that you take off immediately. So you're being shot up in the air instead of going up slowly and then dropping. You go up in the air immediately, which was nice. And as it is indoors, from my opinion, it's less scary than when it's outdoors. So yes. The total bill for our two main courses, wine, beer and the dumplings, was 75 euros. So when you are looking into theme park standards, I think that's pretty okay. It was an authentic kitchen because there was live cooking, so you could see the cooks prepare your meals. The chicken and the duck was a bit on the dry side, but all in all we had a very good lunch and it was a good refuel for the rest of the day. First up after lunch, we will do the Black Mamba. This is a roller coaster that has won a lot of awards, like 17 or 18 awards. So let's see what it is. It's a roller coaster where your legs are loosened. Yeah, it's African themed. So we just did the Black Mamba. It was really cool, African themed, and now we are heading to another land to do the fly, like the roller coaster where you're on your belly. So let's see. Maybe it comes by.
Fuck my life.
Fly is the world's first flying roller coaster with a lounge, and it offers an immersive experience because you go on the roller coaster with your belly down, which is an amazing feeling in your tummy. The night is fallen over Phantasialand and it really comes to life with all the lights they do during this winter event. We are making our way to the central plaza because there is a show where they light on all the lights on the plaza.
Ja, de lichtjes gewoon uit.
And so our day comes to an end. During the day we had a lot of rain, but it stopped raining, so now we can enjoy the Christmas magic, as this is Wintertraum. So the winter special edition, and you have all the lights. They also lighted it with a show that you just probably saw. We rode a few extra roller coasters because now there's no waiting time. So we did Black Mamba and Taron again with like no waiting time. So this is the end of our day. So cheers with some blue wine.